cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tattle my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my
I just got back from getting my front bumper Xpel paint protection wrapped. I took it to Captain Jack's detail shop in Milford, Michigan. If you're in the southeast Michigan area, definitely give this dude a shout. He's very passionate about what he does. I did get just the bottom portion of the bumper wrapped. I was talking to him about future projects with the lights, getting those wrapped as well as going over other detailing aspects. Very, very clean install. There's only two spots where you can see the film. One's right here, creases, and the other one is right up here. Very, very good job, very clean install. I did have a couple of rock chips, first being right here, but you can kind of barely see it depending on how you're looking at it. And then two right here. Overall, very impressed with this installation. This dude went above and beyond. He actually detailed the full exterior of the car, as well as coated the wheels and running boards. I live on a dirt road, and it seems like the wheels and running boards are always getting dirty. So he went ahead and did that, and definitely quick detailed the exterior. This truck looks absolutely awesome now. Very, very happy with how everything's turning out so far. I had got the window tint on a couple weeks back as well, at the time you guys are watching this video. Lots of stuff planned for this truck. I am reapplying, like I said, the door sill guards right here on the fronts. Rears installed pretty well, but like I said, lots and lots planned for this truck. Absolutely beautiful job. Here's some of his information right here. CaptainJacksDetailShop.com. I did put the light bar on there as well. This thing just looks absolutely amazing. I cannot get over how good this looks. I'd highly recommend getting a Xpel Clear Bra applied for anyone who has a painted bumper. With the 2500s, 4.5 gen or 5th gen, depending on who you ask, bottom bumper, definitely mandatory in my opinion. These things are rock chip magnets. You can also do the lower grille surround and the lights. I think with the Bighorn, the halogen lights aren't that expensive to replace, comparatively speaking to the LED lights or the black LED lights. I think these are anywhere from $1,100 to $1,400 to replace per light. So definitely not cheap to replace. So down the road, I think I'm gonna go back to him to have him Xpel the lights as well. As of right now, I'm thinking of a 4.5-inch lift, 22 by 10 Axe off-road 2.0 rotary forged wheels on 37 12.5 Nitto Ridge grapplers. I did order some custom mud flaps as well. They're not the standard ones. They're not the Husky kickbacks. My issue was most of the mud flaps only come up to about here, this body line. The mud flaps I got come up to about here. They're called Long Johns. When they come in, I'll kind of do an install video on them, but it's gonna look a little weird in the beginning because obviously I have stock wheels and tires, and these kickbacks will be poking out a little bit, but I figure with how much money we all just spent on doing the ceramic coat, paint protection and all that, I want to protect this paint for as long as I can. So I bit the bullet and decided to invest in some kickback mud flaps. But overall, like I said, I just can't get over how good this thing looks. If this is the first time you're stopping in, checking out the channel, please consider subscribing. We do have a lot planned for this vehicle. Very cool. If you're a returning subscriber, this has definitely been a little bit different than the norm. I still plan on uploading vehicle reviews or walkthroughs from the dealership in between videos of me building this truck. So, like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.